Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, so this is my morning phase and I'm just woken up, and for today's video I'm really excited to film a video because today's day I'm going to be like organized for a day, and I'm trying to be on a track of a life because I've been like so messy for like past 2 to 3 months. So I'm just gonna like do what so 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 what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be organized and be productive for a day, and I'm gonna show you guys how the day I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna vlog and show you guys, and let's see how the day went. And if you guys are excited for this video, so make sure to drop a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel because it's free. And without any further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so first thing first that I'm gonna do right now is that I'm just gonna go and take a bath because I'm feeling so congested right now. So I'm just gonna do that and see you guys after taking a bath. Okay, so finally I have taken a bath and I am feeling quite clean right now. So I'm gonna go and show you guys what is going to be my outfit of the day. And yeah.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your
Okay, so till now if I talk about my day is going pretty good. I have done like most of the things, like I taken a bath which I haven't done for like past 2 days, and I decluttered my books, and now I'm feeling like to do some study, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna study the subject called advanced accounting because I'm feeling like that subject is quite difficult for me, so I'm gonna practice some of the questions of that subject, uh, and yeah, that's how the plan is looking like right now. And I have to go for a tuition in the evening, so I'm gonna go and show you guys how my tuitions looks like. And then I'm gonna cook something because cooking is like therapy to me, and I feel very calm and composed when I cook something. So I'm gonna do that in the evening and show you guys what I'm gonna cook. And yeah, this is like how the day look. Let's see how the rest of the day went. And yeah.
Doesn't matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
Okay, after completing accountancy questions, I'm feeling a little bit low, so I just don't want to sleep. So I'm gonna make coffee for me because I'm craving for it right now. So I'm gonna do that and show you how I'm making the Dulgana coffee within 2 to 3 minutes. So yeah.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지.
Our coffee is ready. Now let's shake this because it has to look good. I'm gonna shake it because I have added some sugar in it. So yeah, I want more scum. Look at this bitch. I hope you liked the way I made Dolgana within 2 to 3 minutes. If you guys did, so make sure to drop a thumbs up because it's free. Okay, it's time to taste. Let's see how it is taste. It's good, really good. I needed that and I have it. It looks very satisfying, you know. Satisfying. It looks very It looks very satisfying, you know. Said it rightly.
한결편안해 지고했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈 해본지를 했어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night.
Smiley, smiley, little boy, jumping puppy, puppy world. Well, like a fairy tale comes true. It might be your good time, pumping sweet cake, cookie friends. Well, this is my
And now I'm starving, so I'm just gonna go and cook something. So what I'm gonna cook is that there is some leftover rice, so I'm gonna make Shezwan fried rice masala with this Ching Chinese of Tastemaker. So I'm gonna add this in the rice, and in the side I'm just gonna cook some egg, and this is how the food is looks like. Now let's cook it and taste it. Okay.
well, this is my place for you. Still I remember and still your December. 'Cause I found Mr. Wonderful. I think of happy day.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 불을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. When joy comes to mind, it will light up your heart. And to love you and the stars of the fall, of the fall. Talk to you and thinking I want to, and run to your dancing. Talk to you and thinking I want to, and run to your dancing.
언제쯤이면 맘을 할까 밤새워 고민해도 도무지 니만 알 수가 없어 아무리 생각해도
그걸 왜 몰라 눈치도 없이 정말 노래는.
Now let's taste this and rate this. It is so yummy. That was so yummy. I don't know how to like explain the taste of it. That was so yummy.
정말 노래는 거니 몇 번의 고김을 줬었구나. 바보야 내 맘 좀 알아줘. One day